Very comfortable, really comfortable in the back. Would recommend. You can put it up like that, and you can extend it farther out and extend it in. I played roller tag with this personally, and it helps me a lot, unlike the original head strap. Really great and cheap. Would recommend.
Well, basically, it's really easy to use. It's in basically just like a little thing to tighten it up top, the basic. It's just the exact same, but like, it's like the charger one, but different.
Tone it, you know that.
Oh yeah, are you trying to turn it?
No, you can tone it as, like, yeah, you can tone it.